Question 11. If two of the sides of a right-angled triangle are 5 centimetres and 6 centimetres long, how many possibilities are there for the length of the third side? So if we've got a right-angled triangle and we are looking at this side being 5 and this side being 6, then this will have a possible length. I don't actually need to work it out. If we've got a right-angled triangle with this side being at 6, this side being 5, well, actually, this length here has to be less than this length, therefore you can never join it up. So this one is not possible. Just by the way, we can swap these two over and we still have the same length here. So it's still technically the same triangle. And then this side here, we've got 6 here, we've got 5 here. And therefore this is indeed possible because this length is greater than this one here. Yes, it's going to be a third, something with a square root, but it is possible. And therefore the answer is 2 possibilities, and therefore the answer is C. This one is possible, this one's possible, 2 possibilities.